Hi folks, this is Sunday morning, the 1st of September. So I just wanted to focus on the US dollar pairs. There's some quite interesting patterns completing in the US. So we'll start with the New Zealand dollar, because that's the, if anybody been following Pinpoints Patterns on the Facebook group will know that this is the chart pattern setup of the week. This is the weekly chart. You can see we've completed a butterfly pattern. Perfect 1.618 expansion, 1.27 off your swing low over here. Come down to the daily. Again, it trades the patterns beautifully. Perfect A, B, C, D. The ratios, everything's spot on. We had a nice little bounce on Friday at the 1.618. If we come down and look at it on a 4-hour chart now, we'll just zoom in on this a little bit. Most folks will want to touch these with a barge pole, but when you're a pattern trader, this is what we look for. This bullish outside reversal, 5-bar closing reversal, what it did, it came down, hit the 1.618 expansion we've just seen on the daily, and now what it's done, it's closed above the closes of the last 5 4-hour candles. So this is quite a bullish reversal candle. In fact, a little bit more bullish than this one. So all this did was rally back into this resistance level and then came lower. So this is one to keep an eye on. Now we've seen all the other patterns on the bigger time frames. Let's have a look at its sister, the Australian. We're seeing a similar pattern on here. It's gone off again. Stop recording last time. Right, we're seeing a similar pattern on here. What we're seeing is we're seeing it sort of hit the bottom of a base channel. This is your weekly chart, but a couple of nice reversal candles down here. Come down to a daily. We've completed 2 ABCD patterns right in this area. We've now an expanding reverse wave pattern, 5-point expanding reverse wave pattern. So this is looking, and then want to keep an eye on. We've no buy signals yet, but it's very, very low risk, and we've got it obviously getting in the zone. Come down and look at the euro. Nobody's friend. Nobody wants to know the euro, do they? Let's have a look at the euro. Again, we'll start on the weekly chart. You can see on the weekly, we're in this downtrend channel. And if you notice, we're right at the bottom of the channel. We've got 2 ABCD patterns completing. If we look at this, there's this ABCD coming in right at the 707. That's where we hit that on Friday. Another ABCD pattern completing. We're right at the bottom of the lower trend channel. Again, looking good. If we look at the daily chart, we've got a butterfly completing from here. Sorry, 3 drives. It's a bit of an oddball here. The butterfly, here. That's a butterfly pattern with an A, B, C, D again on the daily. We've got your ratios. So again, nice doji reversal pattern on Friday. Whether that means anything or not going forward, we don't know. If we look at the UJ, dollar yen, again, the dollar yen's looking it's tested, it's made a triple bottom on the weekly. It made a low over here on your weekly. We came back, tested the low again, rallied. Now we've tested the low for a 3rd time. If we pan this weekly chart out a bit, there's a much bigger ABCD comes in. If this triple bottom fails, that's going to test these lows over here. If these fail, then we've got a big A, B, C, D pattern, which is going to take us down into this area, I would have guessed, which is probably a 61% retracement off of the lows down here. So the dollar could well find a bit of weakness going forward. Dollar CAD's a bit rangy. Have a look at the dollar CAD. If we can click on it. Excuse me. Again, it's gone into range. This is a 4-hour chart. You can see we've just sort of gone a bit rangy on that one. So it can't get out of its own way. If we take a look at the gold market, The gold market's looking interesting as well. It had a bit of it made the high and it backed off. It's backed off. The best chart to probably look at the gold is the 4 hour, because you can see the ABCD that was completed. We made the spike high, we came down, rally, and all we've done is complete this A, B, C, D, right into this 61% retracement. If you've been watching Facebook, you said keep an eye on 1515 to 1520. Watch price action around there. That's what we're seeing now. Now, again, it's going to be interesting to see how this reacts on Monday, early part of next week. So we're certainly seeing patterns complete. Whether they're going to work or not on the dollar pairs, we'll have to wait and see. But that's what I'm seeing. So take care and good luck with your trading.